We are cooking green plantain today, and plantain porridge, green plantain porridge. I want to check it. It's still hard, so I'll still allow it to what to be cooking, and I'll add my ripe plantain on top of it, and I'll add little water. So because water is not enough, I'm going to add more water on top. So I just add water, and I'm adding what pepper, little pepper inside. So I want to add my crayfish and the oporo together. I'm not blending them. I'll just add them like this in the pot. Yes, I would like to cook. Since I've added my pepper, oporo, and crayfish, I want to add my nut cube. I'm not going to add salt now. I'll just add this ones. Add this ones, then leave it. My crayfish, oporo, and nut cube. Then I'll cover it, allow it to cook. I will not add the salt now. Allow it to be very soft before I will add the salt. So the plantain is soft now. It's time for me to add the salt. I just add my well seasoned cooked chicken now. Add my chicken. It's time to add the red oil. My oil don't finish. Oh. But this one will be enough though. So I'm just not really turning it like turn to make it burn. So I'll just do it like this. The oil will go down. So I'm trying to mix the oats now. Because of the salt I add, trying to mix it. Alright, so that's it. Guys, please don't forget to like. It's well mixed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and watch, share. Thank you.